This next article from Hacker News: Facebook prohibits music or music listening experience on live. Here's the guidelines at facebook.com/music/music_guidelines. These supplemental terms apply to posts you share, any videos or any content containing music on Facebook products. You're responsible for the content that you post. You may not use videos or products that create music listening experience. Unauthorized content may be removed. May be able to post or access videos containing music in every country in the world. And so I don't think that this is censorship. This is not. This is a requirement of the copyright law. They're having massive amounts of people violating copyright laws through making videos where they get you to watch it by putting music that you want to hear. And then they say, oh, it fits in the fair use category somehow. I have to deal with this fair use and this copyright stuff here on Facebook and YouTube, and haven't had any trouble with Periscope yet. But occasionally there'll be a video that I play that has a song on it. In one case, I did a Rickroll, and then I got copyright complaints. But I'm a news organization, and the copyright fair use clause of the copyright thing gives you explicit permission. Here's something from copyright.gov/fair-use/more-info. You can see it's section 107 of the copyright law. It has it provides statutory framework for determining whether something's fair use, identifies certain types of uses like criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, research. So I like to exploit this. I like to, because I'm a pirate, baby. Yeah. So I like pirating as much as I can, but you can't really just play music. You can't be competing in the industry these people are trying to sell in. Like, I'm not creating a music listening experience. You're coming to me to get the real news from Cale McCullough. That's why you're coming here. That's what we're doing here with Real Simple News. And so this is why I like to make the collages. Because it's kind of like an exemplification of how you are legally allowed to utilize these copyrighted materials without being sued under the fair use law, is that I am doing it to report news, educate, I'm commenting, I'm criticizing, I'm teaching you. It's research. We do research on the show. So this makes it so it's an innovative show. Allows me to make these very long video live streams so people can chat. Not a lot of people, but I'm just getting good, so I'm not really too concerned about the crowd size. I'm more concerned about the quality. But if I was making it so you're coming here so you could listen to music, so you don't have to pay the people, I would not be a news organization. I'm a news organization because we're reading news, reporting, criticizing, commenting. And this makes it well within the Section 107 Copyright Act, even though I do get a lot of copyright claims, so I don't have any strikes. And it's because I know what I'm doing when I do this stuff. But I'm never going to shill for a company again, say, go buy their music because they use a bot to hit me with a copyright strike, and the bots are not humans. They don't have copyright protection. They don't have rights. They're bots on the internet. And so they view your video, they go through the audio of your video, they look for a pattern that matches one of their copyrighted songs, then they automatically send you a copyright complaint. And this is illegal. They're making a claim that I'm violating the law. So it's like it's an attorney, basically. It's like an automated attorney saying, you just broke the law. I'm taking down your material so that you can't get monetization until after we've cleared the content to claim. So they're basically shutting down your profits. They're shutting down your ability to get views. They're harassing you, occupying your time. And there is a problem, is that there's so many people that commit content violations that it's not really possible for even a very large organization to review all of these things without use of AI tools. They should leave me alone, given that it is real simple news. We do the real news here. But the system's not perfect, so they just basically just blocked it off. I can't blame them. I can't blame them. Knowing how many copyright strikes I've already gotten, or claims I've gotten, it's like a flood. It would not be possible for them to manage all of these to determine which of these songs that they're playing is actually under the copyrights. So I think that we need to prevent these large companies from doing this, because there are a lot of music, like DJs, who have licensed music, who are able to play this music. A lot of my friends who even might be watching this, good friends from back when I used to throw raves and go to raves all the time. Some of them still watch the show. Most people think I am a demon right now. In fact, it's because I am actually the one who oppresses all of the white women. It is me. I am the one that underpays all of the white women. So I am the demon, and some of them don't know what to think, but I feel like I'm on the side of right. But those people should be able to play their music. I think it seems as though the winning argument against these social media companies are that when they censor you, they abridge your right to speak with the audience because they become the public square. So you're making this rule to censor the content creator. Then the content creator is no longer able to speak with the community, and the community is no longer able to speak with the community. That seems to be the winning argument here, is that you've censored everyone's speech by censoring these content creators' speeches. So we should probably just be tolerant to it. They should probably show us what the algorithm that they're using to get the likes and impressions. That way, it's not like this black box where we don't know, okay, am I shadow banned or do I suck? So I've been in that position. I know I don't suck. I know I'm just shadow banned because I see the shadow ban test. And then you could see from the shadow ban test that I am different levels of shadow banned at different states, but always just a little bit shadow banned. So they're not showing my post to other people. That is censorship. But this, in particular, this is just a copyright nightmare that they have to deal with. So I don't blame them on this one.